Go?
Sí.
I'm going to make a coffee and chocolate tres leches cake. It is decadent, it is delicious, it is irresistible, you're gonna love it. I'm gonna start by making the cakes, and they're gonna be coffee flavored. I have the 8 egg yolks, and I'm going to whisk these, and then I'm gonna add vegetable oil and milk and vanilla. Then I'm gonna add Kroger Mercado's Cuban style coffee, and I brewed some here. I let it cool. You can make it as light or as intense as you want. I made mine intense because it's gonna flavor 2 cakes. I have my flour, I'm adding baking powder and baking soda because I want these cakes to fluff. A pinch of salt. You can get all of these ingredients just like me at Kroger. And I'm gonna start beating my egg white mix. Here we go. So once you start seeing wavies, add your sugar. And now we're gonna beat until stiff. Let's see. And now I'm gonna fold it all together. What I wanna do to not deflate these is I'm gonna start adding some of the egg white mixture into the yolks. You have to be very gentle. And then I'm gonna start adding a little bit of this into the egg whites. And then a little bit of the flour. And then I'm gonna start mixing it and gently folding it. Oh, smells like coffee, no? I have 2 9x13 baking dishes that I already buttered and floured and put parchment paper on the bottom. I'm gonna try to do an even share between the two. Pillowy, so pillowy. Even the batter out. Have my oven at 350. I'm gonna bake these until the top is golden and a toothpick comes out moist but not wet. Anywhere from 22 to 24 minutes. I have my cakes, they have cooled, and now I'm gonna make my tres leches sauce. I have a cup of whole milk, and I'm gonna add a can of evaporated milk. This is a traditional tres leches sauce. A can of sweetened condensed milk. We're gonna whisk. Then I'll just transfer these into this baking dish. I'm gonna poke like 100 times and then pour like half of the tres leches sauce. I'm gonna let these start soaking the sauce. And meanwhile, I'm gonna mix the filling chocolate spread with some freshly brewed coffee from Kroger Mercado. The coffee needs to be really hot. My first cake layer soaked up all of the milk sauce. So I'm gonna add a little bit more milk sauce. These cakes are thirsty. Spread a little. Poke, poke, poke on this one. I'm gonna pour the rest of the milks. Then I'm gonna cover these and put it in the fridge and refrigerate for at least 4 hours. And this has chilled and the milks have soaked. And now I'm just gonna cover it with whipped cream. And this is just heavy cream that I whipped with confectioner's sugar. People get so happy whenever I say there's tres leches cake. Going to dress it with a little bit of grated chocolate, or a lot. So many Latin American countries claim tres leches their own, but for Mexicans, we just love it so much.